Adam and the Toy Factory. A story about how toys are made.
Adam jumped out of bed, excited. Today, I get to visit the toy factory. He cheered. His mom smiled. You'll learn how your favorite toys are made. Adam grabbed his backpack and raced to the car. The factory was huge and colorful. Adam gazed at the big doors with wide eyes. Let's see where the fun begins, he said. His mom held his hand as they went inside. A cheerful guide waved to Adam. Hi, I'm Jamie. Ready to explore? Jamie asked. Adam nodded with a big grin. Which toy do we see first? He wondered aloud. Giant machines sewed soft teddy bears. Adam watched, amazed. Look, the arms are stuffed here. Jamie explained. Adam giggled, wanting to hug one already. Next, robots painted colorful cars. Wow, they're so fast, Adam yelled. Jamie handed Adam a tiny brush. Want to help? She asked. Adam carefully painted a red stripe. Belts carried pieces past Adam. He saw workers snap together blocks. It's like building a puzzle every day, said Jamie. Adam tried, and clicked two pieces together. Adam watched as toys were tested. If they break, they go back, Jamie said. Adam bounced a ball, laughing, this one's perfect. Jamie gave him a thumbs up. Boxes zoomed along the line. Adam saw toys gently tucked inside. Almost ready for stores. Jamie cheered. Adam stuck a sticker on one box. Trucks loaded with boxes rolled away. Goodbye, toys. Adam waved. Next stop, the toy store, Jamie grinned. Adam pictured all the toys on shelves. Adam walked into his favorite store. Look, it's the bear I saw made, he shouted. Jamie smiled, you helped make that one. Adam beamed with pride. Adam brought home a soft teddy bear. Welcome to your new house, he whispered. Adam hugged it close, saying, You're special because I helped make you. He grinned at his new friend. Tucked in bed, Adam held his bear tight. Today was the best day ever, he whispered. He dreamed of toy factories and fun. Tomorrow, new adventures awaited.